nigga, but it been a while. I ain't gonna lie, it been a stupid, crazy while. But hey, bro, it's about to be an active video today. Just got my car clean. That bitch look flawless. I can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. Everybody watching this shit, but hey, this shit finna go down. Today finna be another viral, hopefully. Oh, what it do? What it do? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this fucking car. What the fuck? That bitch hard as hell. That shit crazy. Another wide body. Another wide body, T. Everybody shit clean. This shit. Ooh, boy, I can't wait. Bro, not the tow truck. Tow truck pulled up. He finna take all our shit. He even take all our shit. Tow truck finna take somebody's shit. It's another one though. That bitch hard, but I can't. But you can't go wrong with the Mopar. You can't go wrong with the Mopar. That bitch hard as hell. That purple nasty. Guess who it is? Guess who it is? Then we got the red out wheels. I'm sorry, but he's sitting on the whole competition, bro. This shit hard as hell. Don't care what you say. Don't care what you say. That bitch hard as hell. What it do, man? What it do, man? Finally out here recording, man. Yeah, about time, man. Got to. About like that. Gotta come apart. Hellcat. Shit, boy, I got grass all in my motherfucking sock. Oh, man. Is he gonna get active? Gotta get active. He brought out the kid, the kitty, the cat, Kizzy. No Kizzy. It's another one?
That boy gonna have the police on our ass.
I'm scared now. Just in case he do want to turn up and show something. Just in case he do want to. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Good damn! Coming back. Oh, ready to talk some shit. Ready to talk some shit. Is that why you put him on? That's how you tell him. What the fuck? What he said? I don't know what he said. That's how you really. Is that why you put him on? Nigga got bullet holes in his shit. Bullet holes in his shit. Oh, he coming over here. Hard at Camaro. CL1. If he rev his shit, but he killing the whole competition. Nigga ain't got noise out. This shit loud as hell. Uh-oh. Gotta get crazy, yo. Gotta go at the wind. He ain't started yet. Can't be filming no face. Oh. My track control's still on. I can't do that. I cannot do that. Man, damn! Oh shit, nigga went stupid. Nigga went stupid. Keep it going, man. Keep it going, man. Nigga went stupid. What the fuck? That shit still look fire as fuck. That shit still look hard as hell. Somebody spinning behind us? Who the fuck that is? Oh shit, I'm on the wrong side of the car. Nigga hanging out the window at this. Oh yes sir. Got it? My shitty ass tires, bro. I can't stand this shit. Appreciate that, my boy. Oh shit! Yo, that motherfucker loud as hell. I hope hope y'all can see, bro. I know this damn sun fucking up everything. Nigga went off rolling out this hole. Straight in the median. Nigga finna do it again. Nigga finna do it again. Do it again. Go ahead. Uh-oh. Yo! Go ahead, do something. Go ahead, do something. Hang out, man. Go ahead. You couldn't go the fuck raving that hoe, bro. Hellcat. Hellcat. Oh, shit. Yo. I can smell somebody brakes out there hoe. Why these niggas not caring, bro? Nigga car loud as hell. Police get behind us, boy. We not stopping. Police get behind, but we not stopping. My front end wobbling hard as fuck though. I just hit 100 and my shit was just going crazy. I can't even do nothing too crazy, bro. Oh shit! I can't even push my shit like they pushing it, bro. I gotta get me an alignment ASAP, nigga. You gotta give me an alignment ASAP, nigga. Everybody and their mama came out there hoe. Nigga, oh shit, nigga wildin'. Go nigga. Everybody going crazy out there hoe. Straight crazy out there hoe. Oh shit, he finna do donuts out there hoe. Gotta get the footage. Oh shit, gotta get the footage. Did you just say Bride Day? Did you just say Bride Day? Don't forget, boy, this GTA roleplay. This shit ain't real, nigga. This shit is not real. Don't try this shit at home. I already said it. D Glizzy. Yeah? Are you going again? Hell nah, he running that hoe. He just ran a red light. I'm right behind the Hellcat, right behind the Kizzy. Right behind the Hellcat, I'm right behind the Kizzy. Stop playing with him. Right behind the Hellcat, right behind the Kizzy. What the fuck are traffic laws now? I mean, these niggas ain't following shit. Too active, bro. Shit, they got too active, bro. Going again. Right behind the Hellcat, right behind the Kizzy. Right behind the Hellcat, right behind the Kizzy. you, nigga. I can't do that shit, nigga. I ain't got practice like that. And I did it anyway. Everybody going sideways. Ooh! Everybody doing this shit. Ain't nobody out this bitch a professional. That shit crazy. Nigga decided to drive through the hood with this shit, nigga. Drive through the hood with this shit, nigga. Ride through the hood through this shit, nigga. Oh, skadoosh. Ride through the hood with this shit, nigga. Wait till I get that kitty, boy. I get that kitty, I ain't even gonna lie, fam. I'm not driving that. Hell no, I'm keeping that bitch at the house. Oh God, nigga, we all gonna need new tires after this. Hey, what the fuck? He ain't gonna crank the kid, love this shit. Kid love the fuck out this shit. Hey, nigga going crazy. Nigga love this shit, bro. But he love this shit, bro.
On the edge of my seat, for real.
Niggas is loving this shit, bro. Niggas is loving this shit, bro. Niggas is loving this shit, bro. Through the whole hood with this shit. Who the fuck y'all niggas got this shit set the fuck up? They going stupid. They going crazy. Burn out. The fuck? Nigga just spinning all the way, nigga. I had to let out, nigga. Fuck a Pirelli, bro. I need me some Mickey Thompsons out there, hoe. Car hot as hell trying to keep up with that fucking Hellcat. It always is. Nigga just sliding that hoe through every fucking turn, nigga. I can't do that. Huh? Boy, nigga got a whole pregnant. Oh shit, nigga doing that. Nigga turning his shit. Nigga turning his shit. Nigga is turning his shit. Nigga just turned his shit. Hell. Everybody got their cameras out there, hoe. Everybody got their cameras out there, hoe. D Glizzy acting a fool right now. Nigga going crazy. Nigga going crazy. But they got the whole kids out. Oh shit, what the fuck? Nigga going crazy out there, hoe. Go ahead, D Glizzy. Every time, bro. I ain't too confident in my skills, bro. Go ahead, go with it. Gotta come on. Loud as hell. Oh shit, why didn't they call loud as fuck? What the fuck? How you get in here? How the fuck? Boy, we got so many cars. These niggas ain't even with us. Who the fuck are they? I ain't gonna lie. Now I gotta catch the fuck up. Who the fuck are you? Big kitty. Beating on my shit till I get me a Hellcat. Scratch that. Hell mat. Hit him back. With a whole gap. With a whole gap. Nigga, I told you, but huh? I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Nigga said, let me hop in, boy. Where your mama at, boy? That is, the fuck kidnapped, nigga. Kids going crazy out there, hoe. Kids going crazy out there, hoe. And the police ain't doing shit about it. Nigga, time to go, boy. We missing all the shit, boy. Slide there, hoe. I knew I had to give me something. I knew it. I fucking knew it. They switching spots. Nigga, oh shit, nigga with dead ass clothes. Nigga going stupid, fam. Nigga going stupid. I don't hear nothing but tie smoke, nigga. I don't hear nothing but tie smoke, nigga. Nothing but tie smoke. Nothing but tie smoke, nigga. Everybody in here gonna need some more brakes. Everybody in this bitch gonna need some more brakes. What Mustang finna do? Mustang trying to block shit? No, Mustang doing nothing. Niggas just did his shit. What's up? He ain't even spin. Shit. This a RT? Man, I thought it was a Scat. That shit still hard, I don't care. Niggas spun the whole way. Niggas spun the whole way and still won. The charge Hellcat, what? Stop fucking playing. I ain't wanna push my shit too hard either. Fuck no. The Hellcat won. Hellcat beat the Camaro.
5 cents, man. I ain't know about 4 cents, bro.
I ain't even got no cash.
You lying like crazy.